Discover TroLase Thins, a flexible laser plastic designed for detailed and elegant engravings, ideal for curved surfaces. TroLase Thins are 0.5mm thick and come in a range of two-ply colour combinations as well as single colour sheets. As thins are a fine material, covering the laser bed to maximise airflow plays an important part in ensuring the material remains flat when laser processed. Thins should be processed with lower powers than standard TroLase sheets to avoid warping. You can see here that with excess power, the material has not only warped, but the engraving is visible through the reverse of the sheet. In this example, you can see that if excess engraving power is used, the result is imperfect, with charring and staining that cannot be removed. By adapting the settings to suit the material, the result is superior, resulting in not only minimal dust and debris, but a cleaner engraved finish. We recommend always testing your settings before running a full job. Like TroLase, thins are a modified acrylic and therefore easy to clean. A non-abrasive streak-free cleaner is ideal for this. Thins can be ordered with adhesive, making them ideal for a range of applications, including signs, warning labels and trophy stickers. Thins are perfect for adhesion to curved surfaces thanks to their flexibility. At 0.5mm thick, they perfectly match the thickness of trophy brass, making them ideal for trophy plates. Solid coloured thins are a proven choice in architectural model making, while the range includes colour combinations ideal for use in both CO2 and diode laser systems. TroLase thins in black and gold and black-silver combinations are also diode suitable, in contrast to standard TroLase options which are unsuitable for diode systems. Be inspired with TroLase Thins. Visit our webshop shop.troteclaser.com today for more inspiration and information on the range.